didn't see you there. It's gonna be thin crust. I'm gonna cut someone.
It is thin crust.
Reb, time to be cut.
I am awesome. I'm so awesome. And you can't deny that I am awesome. In theaters this July.
But it's July now.
But it's not.
April, you fool.
Look, Reb. Oh, phone. I like to be in America. Hello. It's me. So I walk outside to get me a cold pop. And then I smell something. I say, someone must be barbecuing. And then I say, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. And then I ran. I didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus. I ran for my life. And then the smoke got to me.
Oh,
And I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Tons of fun. 641. Tons of fun.
41.
Nobody calls me Tubby.
You call me Tubby.
Wow. Look at that light show.
I like to live in America.
I want to live in Puerto Rico.
You don't get to live in Puerto Rico.
Yeah,
Ew,
dude.
your hair in my mouth.
Alright. Here, zoom it out. I'm gonna. Oh my god, Reb.
I think I got some chocolate on my face.
Here, Reb, you gotta label it.
This is so good.
Here, Reed, get me ready.
Wait, hold on. I just gotta.
Blow up the sleeves time. I think I have a lot of chocolate on my face.
Oh my god. Okay.
This is really messy.
I know.
Hey Rebecca, towel falling down.
I am so done.
Ooh.
Wait, that was really weird.
That was really weird, like a really bad music video. Weird.
Exactly.
Like chocolate rain. Chocolate
It's
rain.
Help me!
This is what I do on the weekends, and I'm gonna take.
This is so good.
Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. Friday, gotta get down Friday. Oh, sing the weekend.
I think I just got chocolate all up in my lung. That's gonna really affect my swimming.
Help me. I have a problem. I need a napkin.
Well, you're not using mine.
Try defying gravity. I want to try defying gravity, and words can't bring me down. Right, Rebecca?
No.
Words can't bring me down.
Oh no.
Oh
Bring me down today.
no. Okay. Oh, we
He
can't
actually
mention
pooped his
cocaine.
pants. He's just too ashamed to admit it.
Reb with your pants once at church and it was really funny.
That was so funny.
Actually didn't happen, but thank you for admitting it.
Okay.
These are gonna be so good. Like I'm gonna actually poop.
Alright. Go to the glasses.
Okay.
Good.
I have to burp. It's not coming out. Hold on. There we go. Amazing grace. How sweet the sound could save. A wretch.
You like put like all the sticks up and you can like.
I really like pizza.
I once was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, but now can see. I can see. Okay, Reed, that's enough. What?
Who? Same time I eat. Who's that to? I am so done with him. I'm so done with you.
Sometimes I eat pineapples when I'm naked.
Ha 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 ha. Let's send a high that at parties.
Chug it.
She's gonna throw up again.
Oh, I did. I clicked camera.
Oh, she's gonna puke. Oh!
Wait, did you just do that whole entire thing?
Yes! She's gonna throw up.
Wow. I am impressed.
I want to
Fairly-
try
That's like the one thing I can do.
defying gravity. I want to try
Defying
gravity.
Scream over.
Cause words can't bring me down.
Can't bring me down. Can't bring me down. Can't bring me down.
We're gonna do it.
So,
Now it is. That's for everyone out there who likes butts. 1,
2.
3.
Oh. That was darn good. Almost a little bit. I've dropped it on my nose, I think. That's what I do.
Speed wins.
I just put my spittle on your arm. And if you try to take it from me, slap.
Reb, you look Korean.
I am Korean.
Really?
Yes.
Like, you're a Michinyoja.
What was that?
Hey, Emily, we have 2 minutes left of Emily, we have 2 minutes left of battery.
Are you serious?
So,
Yeah.
Are you joking? There is chocolate in my hair. I washed my hair today. I washed it. Wait, it actually wasn't that much. F you, no. Stop it. You guys harass me.
Yep.
Anyone?
I hate both of you though.
Look, I look like a midget compared to you guys.
You also look like a rat.
I'm a reb. I'm a reb. I'm a reb. What? Wow, I was so off the beat.
You got a little goatee going. You got like stuff on your face. Nope, it's gone.
Me?
It's gone.
Yeah, I wiped it off because
My name is Rebecca Penny.
And I am baby.
My name is Rebecca Penny. I eat food for breakfast in the mornings and sometimes at night.
That's true.
Just a beach.
Go back up.
My name is Cement and I drop the beat hard. You can't stop me because I'm in the tar. That made no sense, but I don't really care because it's a rap show. And we're cooking everywhere, so stop where you are. Just no, I messed up. Okay, who cares? I'm so awesome because I'm so awesome. Yeah, and every day, so don't mess around or you won't get paid.
I left your boy.
Cement out.